Hello everyone, welcome to Sealed IAS. So after discussion of all important rivers and all important states and lakes of Africa continent, now the time is to discuss some important mountains which are also important for UPSC prelims point of view. So if you talk about Africa continent, as we have seen in last video, so this is the Africa continent. And we have Arab Peninsula here, and there is sea called Red Sea. Here we have Red Sea. Here Gulf of Aden, and east of Africa continent we have Indian Ocean, and here we have small island of Africa, that is Madagascar. So first, if we talk about mountain, the first mountain of Africa which is important, that is Atlas Mountain. So Atlas Mountain, which is located in the northwest of Africa, it is situated northwest of Africa, and it stretches around 2400 kilometers from northeast to southwest. So this is the Africa continent, and here in the northwest the Atlas Mountain is here. So it stretches from the northeast to southwest around 2400 kilometers. And the country which lies in the Atlas Mountain, it across the Morocco, Algeria, and last Tunisia. So there are three countries which passes through the Atlas Mountains, and this Atlas Mountain, it acts as a physical separator between extensive coast, that is Mediterranean Sea. Here this is Mediterranean Sea, and here we have Atlantic Ocean. So it acts as a physical separator between the extensive coast, that is Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea, and in southwest we have Sahara Desert. So these are the all information about Atlas Mountain. And the second mountain is Rwenzori Mountain. So Rwenzori Mountain, it is located in the border of Uganda and Congo. So it is situated between country Uganda and Congo, and in mountains, Rwenzori Mountains, there is a highest peak in this region. This peak known as Mount Stanley. So Mount Stanley, it is the highest peak of Rwenzori Mountains. And the third, which is also important, the third mountain in Africa continent, this is known as Mount Elgon. Mount Elgon, it is situated just northeast of Lake Victoria. So here is Lake Victoria. So it is situated northeast of Lake Victoria, and it is an extinct volcanic mountains which is located between the country of Uganda and Kenya. So remember the things. Mount Rangeri, it is situated between the Uganda and Congo, and here Mount Elgon, it is situated between Uganda and Kenya, and it has which is called as a crater. It is the deepest part of topmost of mountains. See, for example, this is mountains, and in the top of the mountain, the shape of the mountain is this type. This is crater of the mountains. So it has a crater which depth is almost 600 meter depth. So these are all information about the Mount Elgon. And the fourth important mountain of Africa, that is Tibesti mountain. Tibesti mountain, it is located it is situated just north of the entire mountain, which is situated the north of Chad, and it extends westward into northern part of Niger, and further in north it extends up to the south of Libya. So the mostly part of this mountain range, Tibesti mountain range, lies in the north of Chad, and it extends toward the west, north of Niger, and further north toward the south of Libya. So these are all information about the mountains Tibesti. After Tibesti, the next mountain is Agar mountain, and the another name of Agar mountain is known as Hogar. So the another name of Mount Agar is Hogar, and it is an area. It is highland region of Central Sahara and south of Algeria. So the location of Agar, it is high region of Central Sahara, and it is fall under the south of Algeria. And next information is with respect to Agar. It is just near the Tropic of Cancer. It is just near the Tropic of Cancer, and there is an important peak, the highest peak in this region, in the Hogar mountain region. It is known as Mount Tahat. So these are all about Agar mountains. And after Agar mountain, the next mountain is sixth mountain is Drakensberg. Drakensberg mountain, it is located, it is the highest mountain of South Africa, because South Africa, this is the country of South Africa, so it is located, it is highest mountain of South Africa, and it is located eastern part of South Africa and which is extend up to 1000 kilometers. So these are all information about the Drakensberg mountain. And the next mountain is Mount Kenya. Seventh mountain is Mount Kenya. It is highest mountain of Kenya. Highest mountain of Kenya, and second highest mountain of Africa. Second highest mountain of Africa after Mount Kilimanjaro. So just Kilimanjaro just located, it is the south of Mount Kenya. So after Mount Kilimanjaro, the next highest mountain of Africa continent, which is Mount Kenya. And there are three important peaks in this Mount Kenya. These are Banyard, and another is Lenana and Nilial. So there are three important mountain range, highest peak in the Mount Kenya region, and this is also lies just south of equator. It is just south of equator, and it is also located in the central Kenya. So these are all information about Mount Kenya. And the last important mountain, which is known as Mount Kilimanjaro. So Mount Kilimanjaro, it is the highest mountain of Africa. It is highest mountain of Africa, and there are three important volcanic peaks in this region. These are known as Kibo, second is Mawensi, and third is Sira. So Kibo, Mawensi and Sira, these are highest volcanic cone of Mount Kilimanjaro, and Banyard, Lenana and Lanier, they are highest mountain peak of Mount Kenya. Don't be confused. And the next information of Mount Kilimanjaro, it is located just northeast of Tanzania. So we have done the important mountains of Africa. First is Atlas Mountain, which is situated in the northwest of Africa and which stretches from northeast to southwest around 2400 kilometers across the Morocco, Algeria and Tunisia. Remember MAT formula, MAT, Morocco, Algeria and Tunisia. And the next important features, it acts as a physical barrier between the extensive coast of North Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea, which is situated in the northwest, and in southeast we have Central Sahara. And after Atlas Mountain we have Rwenzori Mountain, which is located between the country Uganda and Congo. So Rwenzori Mountains. Then we discussed Mount Elgon, then Tibasti Mountain, Agar Mountain, then we have discussed the Drakensberg mountain, which is situated in the South Africa, eastern of South Africa, which extend up to 1000 kilometers. And the most important mountain, Mount Kenya, and their highest peak, and Mount Kilimanjaro. So these are all information about Africa mountains. So after discussing all mountains, let's have a question for practice which was asked by UPSC in prelims 2013. So the question says that which one of the following pairs is correctly matched according to UPSC 2013? In left column we have geographical features and right side region. So option A, Abyssinia Plateau, is it in Arabia or somewhere else? So Abyssinia Plateau, it is not Arabia, it is located in the Ethiopia. So this option is incorrect. And second option, B, Atlas Mountain, it is situated in the region of north of Western Africa. Yes, in previous slide we have discussed, we understood the Atlas Mountain which is situated in the northwest part of Africa. So according to this statement, so here the statement 2 is correct. There is no multiple choice. So single option 1A, 2B, C, 3C and 4D. So here the correct answer will be 2B. So in video we have discussed some important, in previous two video we have discussed some important lakes, some important rivers, some important country which lies passes through the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic Equator. And in this video we have discussed some important mountains. So in next video will coming another important topic of Africa. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.